Hello friends, welcome back to CAD. Today we are going to construct a 3D gear in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Here take a 2D sketch. We'll start from the XY plane. Take circle command. From the center point, make circle of diameter 90. Enter. Okay. Now here go to rectangle. Take 2-point rectangle and make one rectangle profile. Okay. Go to dimension, define this width here as 8 mm and the height 7.5. Okay, escape, go to vertical constraint, select the center point and select the center point. Here go to arc, take center point arc, select the center point, select this first point and select the second point. Now escape, go to dimension, select this arc and take a dimension of 50 mm radius. Okay, now this is fully constrained. Now escape. Now here select this line, make it construction. Okay, and here this will be the closing profile. Now finish sketch. Here go to extrude, extrude this profile, take extrude of 5 mm. Here take symmetric extrude and press OK. Now uncheck this, select sketch 1, turn on the visibility. Now this is the tooth profile. Go to extrude once again, select this profile now. Here take symmetric 5 mm extrude and this will be a joining profile and press OK. Now select sketch 1, turn off the visibility and here go to fillet, take fillet radius of 2 mm, select this bottom edge. Here click to add and change the radius to 1 mm and select this top end, first and second. Press OK. Okay, so you can see only one fillet command will be shown here. Now here go to circular pattern, select extrude 2, fillet 1, rotation axis, select this profile, take count of 20, the angle will be 360 degree and press OK. Okay, so this will generate the pattern profile. Now select this face, go to create sketch, go to circle command. From the center point, make here a diameter of 50 mm, enter, finish sketch, take extrude. Here we will take asymmetric extrude. First extrude will be of 3 mm. Okay, now for other side we want 5 mm plus 3 mm, 8 mm extrude. Okay, as 5 mm is this plate thickness and 3 mm will come outside. Press OK, go to home. Now here we are going to make the cutout profiles. Select this face, go to create sketch, take circle command. From this center point, make circle of diameter 36. From same center, make diameter here 70 mm and here make circle of diameter 10 and escape. Here take vertical constraint, select this point, select this center, go to circular pattern, select this profile, go to axis and click on the center point. Count will be of 6 and press OK. Okay. Now select this circle and make it construction. Okay. So this is only the pitch circle diameter, the dia 70. Now finish sketch, take extrude, select all the profiles, flip the direction to cut and here we will take all. So this will be a through cut. Press OK. Now here we will define the appearance. I have taken here the chrome polished blue. Okay. Go to part 4. We have completed this profile. Go to part 1. So this will be the final out. So this was a basic tutorial to how to generate a common gear profile in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.